Hello, how are you, gentlemen? This time I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account so you won't use it anymore. The first thing we are going to do is open the Instagram app. Here we can see all the posts from the people we are following. The next thing we are going to do is go to our profile. Once we are on the profile, we will click here on the three arrows to enter settings. We will click on the arrows and then click on settings and privacy. In this part, settings and privacy. Once we are in this part, we will scroll down. Here, two options appear in red, which would be to log out to exit Instagram and log out of all accounts to log out of all accounts or all devices where we are connected. But we do not want to perform any of these steps. We want to delete the account permanently. So what are we going to do to delete the account? Let's click on this part where it says help. In help, a series of options will appear. We will select account status, account status. Once we are in account status, look at what comes up here. More information about the account status in this part. More information about the account status. We are going to click there. It will open a window in the browser, and here we will be able to see several options, and here the option to delete Instagram account appears. We will click here on delete Instagram account. And here it gives us all the steps we need to follow. Delete Instagram account, and it tells us if you delete your account, your profile and photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently deleted. If you just want to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate the account. So here we could temporarily deactivate the account to take a break and not delete it. But if we have really made the decision that we want to delete it, we keep scrolling down, and here we see the option delete account. See, as you are seeing, delete account. So we are going to click on delete account, and it will ask us again to log in with the email and password or with the number and password, depending on how we have Instagram set up to log in. Once we log in, it will give us the final step, which is to delete the account. I won't do it because I don't want to delete my account, but these are the steps you should follow to delete the account. So, just log in again, delete the account, and you will no longer have an Instagram account. I hope the information is helpful, and remember to subscribe and check the video description where I explain more tips and tricks for Instagram and many more tips for Android applications. See you next time. Chaos, chaos.